So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want your PowerPoint chart to automatically update when you change the data in Excel, here's how to link them together. So firstly, open your Excel file and select the chart you want to use. Go to Home, Copy, or press Ctrl+C. Then open PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want the chart. Click Home, Past, and look at the available options. Choose Use Destination Theme and Link Data to match your PowerPoint design, or choose Keep Source Formatting and Link Data to keep the Excel design. The important part is choosing Link Data. Now, when you change the original Excel data, the chart in PowerPoint can update automatically. To update manually, select the chart in PowerPoint and go to Chart Design, then Refresh Data. Now your PowerPoint chart is linked to Excel, so you can update the data without recreating the whole chart. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel if it helped you out, and I will see you on the next video.